Pancreatic cancer continues to be a major health issue due to its high mortality rate, and a lack of awareness can sometimes lead to late diagnosis. It's what TVJ Shamela Pullen focuses on in this evening's health report.
The health report: about 5 out of every 100,000 Jamaicans might be diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. Consultant oncologist Dr. Dinglespen says while it does not seem like a lot, the problem with pancreatic cancer is that when someone starts seeing symptoms, it is often too late.
So to be more aware of it, the kind of symptoms that people would get would be like chronic indigestion, maybe pain in the upper part of the belly or in the middle of their back. Often people would feel very nauseous, they would lose their appetite, and they may have a drastic weight loss.
Surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation are treatment options for this deadly cancer. However, Dr. Spence says the prognosis is very poor.
There's a couple of different types of pancreatic cancer. The main one is the most common, and it's called an adenocarcinoma, and that one is very deadly. And that presents very late. People are discovered late, and treatments are effective up to a point, but only about a quarter of people with pancreatic cancer will make it to 1 year, even with some of those treatments.
There is no sure way to prevent pancreatic cancer, as the cause is still not known. But there are certain risk factors persons can look out for and try to avoid.
We know that there are certain risk factors, and the main risk factors are, unfortunately, as we get older, we're more susceptible to cancer, including pancreatic. We know that people who smoke are definitely at risk. People who are overweight, so we know that's a big problem in our country. People who are diabetic also. So not that you're diabetic, you're going to get pancreatic cancer, it just increases your risk. High alcohol intake, and a condition that's related to alcohol intake called chronic pancreatitis, which means an inflammation of the pancreas.
Also, if you're experiencing symptoms like chronic pain in the stomach through to the back, rapid weight loss, and experiencing jaundice, you need to see a doctor immediately. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.